Introducing the low-fat halogen oven from Swan, a unique, innovative kitchen appliance with air frying technology that requires little or no oil. Cook healthy meals up to 40% faster with revolutionary triple cooking technology, combining halogen, convection and infrared heat sources to give you succulent, healthy meals in minutes. Using little or no oil, you can enjoy your favourite dishes the healthy way. From crispy chips, roast dinners, and even baking a cake, this low-fat halogen oven is a necessity for your kitchen. With no need for preheating a large conventional oven, this is ready to cook in an instant. With its powerful 1300-watt halogen element and airflow technology, you can even cook your food from frozen. Just set the temperature and time and leave it to do the rest. With a large capacity bowl and extender ring included, this halogen oven has a generous 15-litre capacity. This appliance makes small work of your family-size meals, while it's compact enough to put away in the cupboard. You can view the cooking process through the toughened glass body, which is also incredibly easy to clean, even more so with the handy wash function. And we've given you all the tools you'll need, so you'll be fully equipped to cook whatever dishes you fancy. If you're looking for fat-free, energy-efficient cooking, choose the low-fat halogen oven from Swan. Designed for life.